Hello everyone. Hi. Good morning. How are you all? Okay friends. Today I am going to prepare a new recipe on egg biryani. I hope every time we are frustrated with having non-veg like chicken, mutton, etc. So let's try a new recipe on egg biryani. So I request you all to please subscribe my channel, that is Mercy Divya Pinto in YouTube. Do press the bell button and subscribe it, and whenever I post the recipes it will be updated to you. Do watch it, like it, share it and comment it. Comment there's a suggestion box given the comment box. So do put your comments and it will be helpful for me to improve myself. So let's continue to watch a new recipe on the egg biryani. Yes, over to kitchen. Hello to everyone. As I've said you, I'm going to prepare the egg recipe, egg biryani. Okay, as I've told you, I have kept the egg boiled already, kept ready. So I have put 7 eggs and I've already washed the rice and kept ready here. It's in the water. So you can see here I have chopped one onion I have taken and I have chopped it finely, one tomato, three green chilies, you can sit here, yeah, because there's no space here, so I have kept aside. So three green chilies, you can see so I have already done the ginger garlic paste in a bulk, so I'm taking 1 spoon from the here, that is ginger garlic paste, uh, yeah, 6, or you can see cardamom, so 6 to 7, then cloves, then the pineapple, the star for the taste, and the chili gum. And I have grinded already, I have blended with the coriander leaves and the pudina leaves. So I have made a paste of it, the puree of it. Then I have kept ready of the powders, that is I'm going to add here half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of red chili powder and 1 spoon of garam masala and biryani powder for the taste. And I'm going to add firstly the curry leaves which I have kept ready here and with the ghee. So now my dear friends, I'm going to add the what you can say, the ghee to the vessel and oil. So you can see there's a sound coming up. I have added oil and the ghee. So I'm adding the curry leaf. Try to reduce the flame and add all the spices to this so that it blends well. It blends well and gives us a good fragrance. Try to put it in a low flame and add onions to it. As it fries and as it gives us a good fragrance out, try to finely chop onions that I have already filled up. Try to add to it. So try to mix it well. And try to mix everything together, all the spices, the curry leaves. Just stir properly, my dear friends, to get it in a golden brown. It depends on you how much you are serving for the people, or how many you want to serve. So you can make a thick puree or a fine puree so that you can add a consistent of water to it. Just higher the flame. At times even egg is good for the health. So I am going to try out with the egg biryani. You can see the consistency here. So I have taken ghee here, the ginger garlic paste. So try to mix it well. So the onion fragrance is already been done. Now let the ginger garlic paste be mixed with this onion and the spices that I have been already added. So lower the flame. Yes, so now I have added. So the onions have been fried properly. So now I have added chili and the tomato. So let it fry for a while. Just stir it in the same manner. Added tomatoes and chilies. So now I have added all the powders that I have kept across, including the biryani masala powder. So you can add this biryani masala powder once you add this coriander and pudina puree. So I am going to pour this tomato puree to it. So you can pour little bit of water and stir the entire things properly with the powders. Let it mix up. So you can see the puree. So add required salt for it. So I am adding 1/2 a spoon because already there been a powders. There is a salt for the powders. So stir it well. So you can watch here, friends. I have already added rice. The rice, and I'm going to add the boiling water for it for the consistency. So it has been stirred properly. It will be stirring right now. So the entire mixture of onion, spices, chili and the tomato, everything is mixed properly. So salt has been already added. So if it is required, you can add salt as per your taste and requirement. So I'll be adding egg too for it right now. So now I'm placing all. I have cleaned the eggs properly and I have made just a little cut because let this curry, let this what you can say gravy get inserted into it and it will become delicious as we eat. So if you want, you can squeeze the lemon because I've already added the tomato for it. So now I'm going to add the eggs whichever I have cleaned it. Don't try to stir it, just try to insert it as it is shown in the video. So I have added 2 cups of rice, and I have poured 4 water, 4 liters of water over it. So now I'm going to cover the lid of it, so that let it boil and let it cook, and and within 2-3 minutes the egg biryani is ready to serve. And you can add coriander leaves upon it. You can just design it, and you can have hot biryani, egg biryani. So as it is shown in the video, my dear friends, I have covered it with the lid and I've kept it in the high flame. So the rice has been boiling with the entire gravy mixture of this. So let's wait for 5 minutes. Let the rice cook properly so that it gives us a good fragrance. So dear friends, so I have cross-checked it and I've opened the lid already, and I've switched off the flame because the rice is already cooked here, and I've garnished it with so here is a, what you can say, today's special dum egg biryani. So I've garnished it with fried with the ghee, that is the cashew and the grapes, and I have garnished it with coriander leaves and pudina. So you can see it here. So this is a short video on the egg biryani, dum egg biryani prepared by me. So I'm going to cover it with the lid and I'm going to have it later. So my egg biryani is already been ready. So I have to prepare a salad for it. So this is a recipe on egg biryani. So friends, I do request you to subscribe my channel. Do like it. View the videos whichever have been uploaded. If you have not subscribed it, please do subscribe. Log into it. Cross check my videos. And if you want to do it, you can share it. And thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye. Take care. Let us have much more videos on the new recipes in the upcoming. So thank you for watching. Bye bye friends. Love you. Known French, how to prepare an egg biryani. So I do request you to subscribe my channel from YouTube, Mercy Divya Pinto. Do sign in, do like my videos, give me your feedbacks so that it helps me to improve myself and my cooking diaries. So I, Mercy, is going to sign out right now with the new recipes in the upcoming days. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit. Love you all. Bye bye.